Have you ever wondered how some women style their hair at home? Yet everyone thinks they've just spent hours at a salon. In this video, I'll show you 7 elegant hairstyles that are easy to recreate at home, along with the face shapes they suit best and the necklines they look best with. So you can make every outfit look naturally polished. Let's get started and turn your style on. The half up, half down. Romantic and looks good on everyone. Let's begin with a classic hairstyle that is almost impossible to get wrong. The half up, half down style solves a common problem. You get the soft, romantic look of wearing your hair down without the problem of it always getting into your lip gloss. From a stylist point of view, this hairstyle is great for balancing your shape. Pulling back the top part makes your shoulders look a little wider, while the loose hair creates long, smooth lines. If you have a pear-shaped body or fuller hips, this little bit of volume on top helps create a more balanced hourglass look. The secret to making it look elegant? Don't pull it too tight. Secure the top with a smile clip, then gently pull out a few soft pieces around your cheeks and jawline. These small details make the hairstyle look stylish instead of messy. Best paired with open necklines like sweetheart, off the shoulder, and soft scoop necks. The loose hair in the back frames your shoulders without covering your outfit. The elevated ponytail, clean, modern, and confident. Let's clear up a common myth. Ponytails are not only for the gym. In fashion, a sleek high ponytail is one of the strongest and most stylish looks you can wear. A high or medium height ponytail gives your face a natural lifting effect. It makes your face look longer, your jawline more defined, and your cheekbones stand out. To make your ponytail look polished, instead of sporty, use one simple trick. Hide the hair elastic. Take a small piece of hair from underneath, wrap it around the hair type, and secure the end with a bobby pin. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes a big difference. Best paired with blazers, matching suits, simple evening outfits, high turtlenecks, and backless dresses. 3. The European low bun, easy and chic. If the words elegant updo make you think of stiff hairstyles with too much hairspray, this style will change your mind. The European low bun has a quiet luxury feeling. It looks like you spent a long time at a salon, even though you can create it in about 90 seconds while your coffee is brewing. The secret is not trying to make it perfect. Gather your hair into a low ponytail at the back of your neck, twist it into a soft bun, and secure it loosely with a few bobby pins. Let a few pieces fall naturally. Loose standards around the ears and soft waves near the temples create that relaxed European style. For evening events, skip the heavy hairspray and add just one simple accessory, like pearl pins or a tortoiseshell comb. 4. The classic French twist, timeless elegance. The French twist is a symbol of timeless elegance because it never goes out of style. It looked beautiful in the 1960s, it looks beautiful today, and it will still look beautiful many years from now. It works best on medium to long hair. If your hair is fine, spray a little texture spray or dry shampoo through the length first. Otherwise, it may slip out of your hands. Gather your hair into a low ponytail, twist it upward against the back of your head, tuck the ends inside the roll, and secure everything with bobby pins. The vertical shape of this hairstyle makes your neck look longer, so it's especially flattering if you have broad shoulders or a shorter neck. Best paired with boat necks, high collars, and deep V-necks that show your collarbones. The modern French twist, the claw clip version. If the classic French twist feels too formal for everyday life, the modern version is the perfect shortcut. The claw clip twist. Instead of carefully hiding every strand inside the twist, simply twist your hair upward, leave the ends loose at the top, and secure everything with a stylish claw clip. The whole hairstyle takes about 25 seconds. Claw clips combine comfort with an effortless, fashionable look. Just avoid the bright plastic clips from the early 2000s. Instead, choose matte neutral colors, brushed gold designs, or classic tortoiseshell clips. Best paired with brunch, airport outfits, weekend shopping, or busy mornings when you want to look put together with very little effort. 6. The statement headband, the easiest style trick. Let's be honest, sometimes we simply don't feel like styling our hair. On those days, you don't need a difficult hairstyle. You just need the right accessory. A stylish headband is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your look. Forget the thin plastic headbands from childhood. Today's designs use soft velvet, smooth satin, or clean, minimalist styles that look more like jewelry for your hair. On busy mornings, just brush your hair, smooth down any flyaways, put on the headband, and you're ready in 2 minutes. Besides being easy, a padded headband adds a little height at the crown, making your face look longer. If you're petite, matching your headband with your outfit creates one long vertical line, helping you look taller. 7. The Hollywood waves, the red carpet favorite. Finally, we finish with the queen of glamorous hairstyles, old Hollywood waves. This classic red carpet look feels elegant, expensive, and full of movie star glamour. Even though it looks difficult, it's actually perfect for fine or flat hair. Unlike beach waves, where curls go in different directions, Hollywood waves require every section of hair to be curled in the same direction. After the curls cool, gently brush them with a soft paddle brush. This blends all the curls into one smooth, flowing wave that adds lots of volume and beautiful shine. When choosing your outfit, keep the neckline simple. Avoid large ruffles or heavy sequins around the shoulders because they compete with the hairstyle. Simple gowns, elegant satin dresses, and open necklines let this beautiful hairstyle and you stand out. Remember, if your hair always feels heavy, flat, or old-fashioned, no matter how you style it, the problem may not be your styling technique. It could be your haircut. In my previous video, I shared 5 timeless haircuts that lift your features and help you look younger and fresher. Click here to watch it next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.